U.S. inflation rate slows to 6.5% in December, in line with estimates. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, slipped 0.1% in December, roughly in line with expectations for a flat reading. On an annualized basis, the CPI was higher by 6.5%, in line with expectations and down from 7.1% a month earlier. The core CPI, which strips out volatile items like food and energy, was up 0.3% in December, in line with forecasts. Annualized core CPI was up 5.7%, also in line with forecasts and down from 6% in November. Bitcoin, BTC, has slipped about $150 on the news, with traders having bid the crypto higher in the days leading up to this morning's report in hopes inflation might decline ever more. While December marks the sixth consecutive month of inflation slowdown in the U.S., the rate having peaked in June at 9.06%, it remains well above the U.S. Federal Reserve's 2% target. Bitcoin's string of gains early in 2023 has seen it rise from about $16,500 to begin the year to a one-month high of $18,250 earlier today. While part of the advance was likely due to nothing more than some investor bottom fishing after the crypto's ugly 2022 run, at least some of the gains were thanks to optimism that the Fed monetary tightening cycle could come to a close at some point in early mid-2023. Whether today's inflation report hastens that remains to be seen. Why is the crypto market down today? U.S. stocks down post-CPI and FOMC. Despite underperforming stocks in the wake of FTX, crypto nonetheless retains notable correlation in times of macro volatility. This week's CPI print was no exception. Stocks initially gained thanks to CPI numbers showing U.S. inflation falling quicker than expected. The following day saw the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, meeting conclude with a 50 basis point interest rate hike, lower than previous ones and broadly anticipated. Despite that, a subsequent speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell did not deliver quite the result that bulls wanted. The initial CPI hype died down, and on December 15, stocks began to fall noticeably, taking crypto with them. At the time of writing, the Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite Index were down 2%, 2.2% and 2.6%, respectively. Are you enjoying this video? Please subscribe button of more video related to blockchain technology.